Hello, my name is Rachel Bache. Below, I will be explaining how to identify each element in a sentence. In the following sentence, we will identify the subject, the type of verb, direct object, and indirect object. I will give a short definition of each element. How do we identify the type of verb in a sentence? In this case, I will relate the linking verb and transitive verb. If it is transitive verb, then the sentence would have a direct object. What is the subject? A subject is the person, an animal, or thing about whom something is said. It is the one who acts as the verb. What is the verb? Verbs are the most complicated part of speech. There are many types of verb. The verb can indicate the main action, the main verb, an auxiliary verb adds detail to the action or helps the main verb, also called complementary verbs, modal verbs, and modality, possibility, ability, permission, prohibition, obligation, etc. Transitive verbs connect a subject to an object. Other verbs only need a subject. In transitive verbs, some verbs are composed of more than one word. Prepositional verbs and phrase verbs can be active or passive. A direct object is a noun or pronoun that receives the action of a verb. Direct object asks two questions about the verb who, what. The indirect object is a noun or noun phrase or a pronoun. Sentence, we can see that Paula is the name of the person, so it would be the subject. In this case, the direct object is the parcel, and the indirect object is to her mother. Then we will have a transitive verb that will be past. In the second sentence, we will identify the same elements. Juan gets his uncle a dirty look. Juan is the subject. Get is the transitive verb. His uncle will be the indirect object, and a dirty look will be the direct object. Here are two sentences identify the subject complement. A key point is says the sentence has a linking verb. It is obvious that we will have a subject complement. I am Rachel, Andrea is a nurse. In these two sentences, I will base the linking verb definition on the definition of linking verbs are verbs that serve as a connection between a subject and furnish information about the subject. They don't show any action, rather they link the subject with the rest of the sentence. The verb to be is the most common linking verb, but there are many others, including all the same verbs. In this case, the subject will be the pronoun I. As we can see, the verb in the sentence is a linking verb because it uses the form of the verb to be, which is I, and Rachel will be the subject complement. In the following sentence, Andrea is the subject, is the linking verb, and nurse is the subject complement. To end my participation, I will explain a sentence by identifying the object complement. An object complement is a noun, a pronoun, or an adjective that follows a direct object. To rename it our state where is as become he found me happy. In this sentence, the subject is he found me will be the verb, and happy is the object complement.
Object complement. In the sentences, the subject will be the clue. The linking verb becomes the direct object, Lisa, and the object complement, share. Modifier and qualifier. 1. In these sentences, the subject will be my sister. Modifier, much. The verb, more. qualifier careful. 2. In the sentences, the subject will be my dog, the linky verb have been, modifier clearly, and qualifier shiny. Prepositional phrase. 1. In these sentences, the subject will be the girl, the preposition on, the object, the preposition, the verb. The linky verb is the object complement, my sister Jenny. 2. In these sentences, the subject will be the clown, the preposition after, the object of the preposition, the party, the irregular verb, return, and the object complement to his square.